Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. Happy New Week. And as we go in this week, we ask that all our desires, wishes will come true. Don't forget, TVC is a community of love and respect, community without drama. Guys, a quick notice and a quick one for us all this morning, especially to the broadcasters. There will be no broadcasters meeting this afternoon. Our ambassador, Stephen Kofi, is under the weather, so let's remember him in our prayers and let's pray for his quick and speedy recovery. So there will be no broadcaster meeting today, but let's look forward to the weekly meetings by 3 p.m. and mass adoption training by 4 p.m. with the TBC admin. Let us avail ourselves. We all know what is going on in the community presently. The issue of building up training on how to get our projects and everything to access the life force funding. So, guys, let's come on board to learn, to get trained, and to receive from the wealth of wisdom of our admin. Let's join hands for the success of TBC. We are looking forward to have over 1,000 full subsidy around the world. Let's come on board. See you. Love you. Take care. Cheers.